Go Fast Videos presents NASCAR Ride-Along Experience. 3 laps for $193.99 on sale. You have to show up 45 minutes early to watch a safety video and check in. We then waited under a tent for about 30 minutes until it was our turn. This gave us time to watch the operation as other customers took their turns. They do have an option where you can drive. It was $436.99 on sale for 5 minutes of driving. The ride-alongs go faster than the cars that you can drive. Spectators only see the cars at speed as they come by each lap. In between, you can watch the people getting in and out of the cars. They count going out and coming back in as half a lap. Drivers get to wear driving suits. Riders get helmets only. I wondered why the drivers didn't get gloves. I estimated that the drivers went by at about 120 to 130 miles per hour. Riders' cars went around 160 to 170 miles per hour. Pro drivers and ride-alongs rode higher up on the track. You could see them passing the slower drivers. Watch the difference in the car's speed. That looks like about 20 or 30 miles per hour difference to me. Being at Daytona and on the infield was a great experience. It was finally Justin's turn. He was our person to do the ride-along, to do this review. Pose for your picture for the family. If you bought the picture package, they also take a picture of you in the car. And you can get a video package too that shows you inside the car. Of course, those things cost extra money. Everything was secure, and they exited the pits. They went by the first time. That's not Justin, that's just another car going by. Here is lap number 2. Then they came in to complete the third lap. I wish they didn't count leaving and coming back as part of your lap because, you know, you're not even going very fast. So really you have 2 full laps at speed. But that is the cheapest package. You can pay more and go more laps. They do make you wear a Hans device. That's the device that keeps your head back if you get in a wreck. Justin had a great time and wished it was longer. If you ordered a video, they downloaded it for you here. Your plaque with 2 pictures are at the trailer to be picked up. We recommend this experience if you don't want to drive. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Would you choose to ride or drive? Leave us a comment. Go Fast Videos.